Oh, here's the new GAN cube that just came in the mail. Oh, it is a pretty one. It is pretty. It came sealed in this little box. And I have a little paper here. Let's take the wrapper off first. Okay, now that our wrapper's off, let's see the GAN logo here. Whoops, upside down. GAN logo, we can see how fast it turns. Can actually make it do a full 360 here. It's pretty nice turning properties here. Ooh. So this one hand, we just got one. Two. Ah! I almost dropped the cube. See its corner cutting capabilities here. Let's just put this right here for a second, so I can have something holding it for me, holding my phone for me. So you see the corner cutting capabilities of this cube, pretty nice. Even almost at 45. It's a little bit off one way or the other. You can get this to do a full, you can even get it to do a full 360. Look at that. Wow. So yeah. I'm still kind of sloppy with this. I need to learn to do things. It's definitely faster than my other stuff. Let's see if I can do it with the pinky the way Emerson does. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Oh my goodness. I still suck. But it is buttery smooth. Oh my goodness. And the magnets definitely help. This is almost in position, and then you just kind of snap into place here. So like almost there. Shake it a little bit. The magnet's not quite as strong as I was hoping, but this is definitely a lot smoother. It's way smoother than anything we've had before. Way smoother, yeah, definitely. So I'll do that. He hasn't been treating his cubes nicely, so I'm not even gonna let him have it. This is Dada's cube. Maybe I'll get him one later. Even though Emerson's faster than me. Let's see what the scramble looks like here. This is our GAN cube. Look at that little sucker. He is so fast. All right, let's see how this works here. It's so fast. That's incorrect too, isn't it? That would be the spot where it goes. Of course, I need this spot here. Of course, we need that chunk right here. That's not the right one. This is it. Here. This one. I don't even deserve this cube. Look at how slow I am. Alright, now we're going to take this guy. Move that there. There's my blue. There's my second layer almost. One more. There we go. Second layer solved. This is almost done. Now we gotta do this one, switch those two. So we're gonna go right. There we go. Those are switched. Good to go. Now we gotta do the last permutation here. So now we gotta rotate these last. Let's see, first we gotta find one that works. Do we even have one that works? Doesn't look like it. Looks like we gotta rotate all of them. Let's choose a corner, whatever. Well, if I rotate these, this one will definitely be in the right corner. Alright, so we'll start with this one. So it's gonna be U R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Now we have, this one is in the correct corner, and the rest, these three are not. So we're going to take this one, you put the correct corner towards you, and then you do U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime. Oh, wrong way, L. There we go. Now, we still have to rotate them one more time, and then they'll be in the correct corners. So again, U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R, U, L. Boom, boom, boom. And now we're at the last step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, until we reach that spot. Then rotate the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and boom. Cube is solved. There's our GAN cube. What a beauty. What a beauty. So we have that. Too many permutations there. So there's our little. Ooh. Let's put it back together. Now we have our little cubes. GAN cube. There we go. There's our cube. Well, it's buttery smooth. You can see the corner cutting capabilities. This one definitely more corner cutting than most. So, although anything at 45 just doesn't quite work, but just slightly off of 45, boom, that's enough. Slightly off 45, that's enough. See, no problem. So you go about to here, whatever, cut, boom, it cuts right back. And have it like that, boom, cuts. It's got really good cutting capability. I think it's because it's got a pretty good amount of play here. You can see the ball on the inside, what it kind of looks like here. Let me show it a little closer. So when you open this up a little bit, kind of see what's in there. I say that and I can't even do it. Can't do it with one hand, huh? So you open that up and kind of see what's in there a little bit. This is the 11. GAN cube. Oh, it says 2014. That's not right. Somebody scammed you, huh? Either way, it's working really well. Or maybe that's the patent. It's pretty smooth. Comes with a little cube station card. Oh, I forgot. Also comes with a really nice cube bag. Put it in a little bag and keep it from getting hurt. Or you could put it in its little box that it came with. You put it in this little cube bag here. If I grab this, that little cube bag, and it just goes right in there. Zips up, boom. You got yourself a nice little cube bag. What a beautiful cube. This is Dada's cube. I know Emerson's gonna want this cube real bad. It also comes with a great set of cube instructions for many different permutations, so you can learn different ways of solving your cubes. And this is great. Cube chart. let's say we have a problem, we have it a certain way, and we want to fix it. This will kind of show you exactly what we're supposed to do. And it shows you how to take it apart. If you want to tighten up the screws. So we're not experts at what we're supposed to want, so but we know what we want, so we'll just leave it. Leave the cube as is. Just work with it. This is our cube. He'll be happy. But this is Dada's cube now. There's only one way I'm gonna beat him, is with extra speed. Very nice cube overall, absolutely. It's a GAN. It's the 11 magnetic. See the little magnets right here. So when you click close enough, they just kind of click right into place and stay there. Just click it, boom, click it, boom. Click, click one hand, and there you go. All right, bye guys. There's our little cube. There's our little cube stand, allowing you to show off your cube or whatever. In this case, what we would do is, I guess if you want to show it off with the logo, you would put the logo this way. So when you put it up, it displays the logo like that. GAN cube. Nice. Okay. Bye guys. See you next time. That was our GAN cube unboxing. I'm sorry I'm not exactly the fastest cuber in the world right now, but we'll get there. Hopefully.